Hey everyone, David here from Door. Wanted to make a quick video to let everyone know that the Door app is now live in both the iOS App Store and the Google Play Store. So for Android users, you can now download the app, check it out. If you're not familiar with what we've been doing, if you've just sort of joined our community or just heard about us, Door is a decentralized ad network that allows you, the consumer, the user, to earn crypto by engaging and consuming the content that interests you the most or the ads that are most relevant to you. Door allows people to earn for the use of their data and earn for the actions that they take online. And Door also allows advertisers to pay you directly for the data that they're licensing to target you with relevant ads. So rather than a platform like Facebook or Google harvesting your data and then auctioning it off to the highest bidder, Door allows the advertisers to buy Door and use it as a utility token to pay you directly for your data. So the benefit here is that with Door, you have highly relevant, highly curated content that is given to you every day. And every time you engage with it, every time you read an article that you like or you click on an ad that is relevant to you, you're going to earn Door. You're going to earn Door coin every single day for using the app. So you can learn about crypto, learn about things in real estate technology, learn about luxury, travel, lifestyle stuff. It's all there. And we are working, we have over 100 plus content creators that are delivering content within the app, and we are growing every day. And you have the ability to tailor your feed to make sure that you always get the most relevant stuff every day. So every time you open the app, there's something new there, there's something cool to learn, and you're earning every single time you do anything in the app. So every view, every click, every engagement with an article or an advertiser earns you Door. So check it out on the Google Play Store and the iOS App Store. So now that I got that out of the way, I wanted to touch on a couple things. I was writing some content for the Door app. And one of the articles that I recently published is called How to Do Your Own Research, or How to DYOR. If you've been in crypto for more than 5 minutes, you've heard the term, not financial advice, DYOR, do your own research, right? So what does that mean? What does it mean to do your own research? Just by proxy, listening to this video is technically doing your own research. But as I was writing the article, one of the things that I touched on in the article was the team behind a project, whether it's a crypto project or an NFT project. One of the biggest assets that is indicative of the likelihood of success with a project is the team, and more specifically the team's track record, what they've done in the past, and what they've executed in terms of bringing their vision to life. So I want to touch on that a little bit. In a lot of crypto projects, they have roadmaps. They have, this whole long list of things that they plan on doing or plan on building to support the token. And I want to come out publicly and tell you that roadmaps are bullshit. They are a list of wishes, and they are to be taken with a grain of salt. I could sit here and write a roadmap of 70 plus bullshit things that I want to do to try and sell you my wares. But unless I'm executing on those visions and executing on those things, they are, again, nothing more than a list of bullshit wishes. More importantly is looking at a team's track record, looking at what a team has accomplished, and even before their crypto project, what they've done in the past to allow them to be worthy of your time and energy with the project that they're building. So, if you go to doorcoin.com/team, you can see my picture and LinkedIn link, and also Rich, my business partner, as well. Our LinkedIns are out there. Prior to these crypto projects that we've been involved in, Rich and I have been working together for the last 10 plus years. We've built and scaled many software companies, many startups. Many have been sold to Fortune 500 companies. We have built predictive analytics companies. We have built ad tech companies. We have built marketing agencies. and Rich and I, the nice thing, and it's kind of a humble brag, but we've been successful, and the reason why we're able to execute on these projects and put so much time and energy into them and accomplish so much in such a short time is because we can fully commit ourselves. We've are at a point in our life where we don't have to take a salary. We can work on these passion projects to make them a reality without having to worry about paying rent, which is nice, or paying a mortgage or whatever. So I think that is something that should not be taken lightly. We're not in it to pump and dump. We don't need to make a quick buck because we're already successful. Now we do want to make cool, innovative projects, and innovation and crypto is the most interesting and fascinating thing to us by a long shot. So we love it. The other thing I want to talk about is all the shit that we've accomplished in the last, 275 days since we launched Doorcoin in July of 2021. It's been about 8 months. Never in my life, and I've been involved with a lot of startups, never ever in my life have I seen this type of progress in this short amount of time. Launching 2 tokens, 4 apps on 3 exchanges, building the complete back end that is supporting all of these platforms, and having everything working and built to scale in such a short amount of time is nothing short of magic. So I wanted to sort of touch on that kind of where we've been, and go down that list for everybody, because I want to, it deserves a pat on the back, another humble brag. Number 2 is I want to just sort of hammer it in everybody's minds, all the things that we've executed on to make this vision a reality. So let's begin. In July 2021, we launched the Doorcoin contract on the Ethereum blockchain. With that, we simultaneously launched My Door Wallet, which is the Door custodial wallet software, and it was also the version 1, minimum viable product of our ad network. Obviously, when you have a token that has a utility and a purpose, you have to have the platform in which it operates on. So the My Door Wallet was the minimum viable product of that ad network that did at the base level what we visioned for Door, which was allow advertisers to pay consumers directly for the use of their data and for their interest. Shortly thereafter, we immediately started working on Door Plus, which is the app that we recently released. But I digress. So that was in July 2021. In August 2021, we launched our Door staking program. For those not familiar, Door allows you to stake your tokens. What that does is provide additional liquidity for advertisers looking to purchase Door and use it to target consumers to serve them relevant ads on the platform. So there's several staking pools available. You can earn hyper yield on your tokens for staking them for specific periods of time. Check out more on that in My Door Wallet. So we started developing Door Plus in September of 2021. In October, we launched NFT Locker. NFT Locker, if you're not familiar with it, is our NFT marketplace. This is a marketplace that allows college athletes right now to mint and launch NFTs to support their name, image, and likeness. Name, image, and likeness is also the ethos and the idea behind Nilcoin, another token we launched in December, but I'll touch more on that. So, because I'm going chronologically in date. So in November, we launched Door on thru exchange. The idea here was to expand the offering, open the aperture to a wider audience, and allow people to trade Door without having to deal with gas fees and things like that on Uniswap and on the decentralized exchanges. So we expanded to thru as our first centralized exchange. In December of 2021, we expanded even further to Bitmart Exchange to allow even more offerings for people to trade Door without having to deal with gas fees and things of that nature. And also open it up to a wider audience. Each of these exchanges has their own audience. Some of them are, many millions of people that use these exchanges. So it just helps us get the word out to more people through these exchanges. So. In December of 2021, we launched NIL token or NIL coin. NIL stands for name, image, and likeness. It is the reward token for Postgame, a company that we are partners with. Postgame is an influencer marketplace that connects brands with athletes and allows athletes to earn from their NIL and allows brands to hire them for influencer campaigns, things of that nature. Athletes can accept their payment in NIL coin, which allows them to onboard into crypto. It allows them to potentially amplify their earning potential by taking advantage of crypto increases and things of that nature. So if you're not familiar with it, check it out, nilcoin.com. In January, we launched Door on CoinTiger, our third centralized exchange, and shortly thereafter launched NIL on CoinTiger. To offer NIL for people that wanted to trade in and out of NIL, an easy way to do that without paying for gas or having to worry about taxes and things like that are part of the tokenomics that are built on the Ethereum blockchain. All that stuff's on nilcoin.com if you're not familiar with it. In February, we launched the beta version of Door Plus. We've been testing it since February, and then just this month we released Door Plus on both app stores. That's not to mention all the admin and back-end behind-the-scenes software that we built that powers all of this stuff. We have a full administrative dashboard that powers our ad network, powers our advertisers, powers our staking program, powers all of our custodial wallets, our NFT marketplace, and powers the Door Plus app itself. So. All this stuff is built to scale. It's all working and doing its job as designed. So, but like I said, in 8 months, there's 4 apps, 3 exchanges, 2 tokens. It's a ton of stuff. So if you're on the fence and you're not sure if Door or NIL is the right project for you, again, watch this video and rewatch it and listen to the things that we've done to support the vision for these coins. Because again, I've never seen this type of progress in this short a time. And Rich and I, we work our asses off and we don't take days off, and we do work weekends because we're committed to it and we're fascinated by it, and we love innovating and we love building these products and projects, because we do want to bring something of value to the space. So yeah, with that said, go check out Door Plus if you haven't already. You can go to doorcoin.com, and the links for both app stores are right on the homepage. It's probably the easiest way to download the app. If you have any questions, reach out to us on Discord, or if you have any feedback on the app, there is a Discord channel that is specifically designed for feature requests, bug fixes, anything that you notice or that you want in the app. We'd love to hear your feedback. It is our oxygen. So hope you're having a great day, and thanks for listening to me pat ourselves on the back today. Take care.